Now let's see that I have 3 7s on the board. Just circle 7. Now I told you that there are operational couples. Yes or no? Addition
Yes.
and subtraction, multiplication and division, square and what? Square root. If it happens to be cube and cube root, the same theory. Right?
Yeah.
Let me take number 3. To this 7, I'm adding number 3. At the same time, I'm subtracting number 3. Are we clear?
Yes.
Just for number 7, I'm adding 3, and from that, I'm subtracting 3. According to BIDMAS, in your country, what do they teach? BIDMAS or BIDMAS? Binwara? Binwara?
Sir,
Yeah. In your country, what do they teach you? BIDMAS or BIDMAS?
I'm sorry.
In your country, in the UK, what do they
Yeah.
teach you? BIDMAS or BIDMAS?
BIDMAS.
They teach you BIDMAS, yeah? So
Yeah.
basically, BIDMAS. In BIDMAS, B stands for brackets, I stands for indices, DM stands for division or multiplication, AS
Yeah.
stands for addition or subtraction. In these two, whatever that comes first is to be del P according to
Yes.
right rule. Yes or no?
Yes.
Yeah. Now we have addition and subtraction. So we deal with this first. 3 plus
Yeah.
7, 10 minus 3. Again, we end up getting 7. But if you look closely at this particular instance, do you see 3? So do you see 7?
No.
You don't see no 7. It is actually because it has undergone a certain calculation, and at the end, what has happened? The original number has emerged. Yes or no?
Yes.
Likewise, now let's look at another simple explanation. X plus 3 equals 10. X plus 3 equals 10. Now, if I need to remove this 3, what I can basically do is introduce minus 3 to this side and minus 3 to the other side as well. Yes, so
Yeah.
what will happen? These cancel off, giving us x equals 7. Yeah.
Yes.
Now let's apply the same theory for letters. X plus P equals Q. If I need to make P the subject, what do you think happens? I will subtract P, yes or no?
Yes.
And these cancel off, giving us what? Q minus P. Are we clear?
Yes, sir.
Right. Now, my love, what we understand is this kind of working, it becomes complex when it comes to bigger expressions. So just to get over with it, what we do is we say that write x plus p equals q, rather than introducing a negative p and a negative p for both sides. We say that we take this plus p to the other side, because finally we get the same as, don't we?
Yeah.
I mean, like, we can, of course, obviously, we can introduce minus p for both sides and cancel the p's off and get x equals q minus p directly. Correct?
Yeah.
Rather than doing this, if you get the same answer by just taking plus p to the other side. But here now you should understand that the plus p, it becomes negative as it goes to the other side. Correct or wrong?
Yes.
Right. Perfect. Now that is over with. Now let's go to the other side. Can I multiply 7 by 3 and at the same time divide 7 by 3? I think that we can. 3 times 7, according to BIDMAS, division or multiplication, whatever that comes first is to be dealt with. 3 times 7 is 21, correct?
Yeah.
Divided by 3, yes or no?
Yes.
Now, I can
Wait,
write,
sir. Division comes first, right?
no. In BIDMAS, right? DM
Yeah.
does not say that division and then multiplication. No. Addition and subtraction does not say first do addition, then do subtraction. No. What it says is that division or multiplication, but whatever that comes first, that is what is called, that is how we do using the left to right rule.
Oh, okay, sir.
That is known as left to right rule. In this
Okay.
later on, I'll teach you what left to right rule is all about. Correct?
Yeah.
Now, can I rewrite 21 divided by 3 as 21 over 3 as such? 21 divided by 3, this expression, can I
Yeah.
write the fraction 21 upon 3?
Yes.
It is pretty clear, right?
Yeah.
21 is 7 times 3 over 3. Yes or no?
Yes.
We usually simplify this and get the final answer 7. But in fact, it is the 2 3's that we cancel off, correct?
Yeah.
Yet again, we get the same answer 7. But again, like what has happened here, do you see the fact that you don't see no 7 here? Do you see 7?
No.
It has undergone a certain calculation, but as long as the pair of operational couples are used with the same number, it does not change. Did I make myself clear?
Yes.
Correct, no?
Yeah. Correct.
Now let's try to do this calculation with numbers. Let's look at this. X over 5 is equal to 7. Now, we understand that x is divided by 5. Yes or no?
Yeah.
Are we clear?
Yes.
X upon 5 is x being divided by 5. Correct, no?
Yeah.
Therefore, to get rid of this 5, I will have to multiply both sides by 5. Correct or wrong?
Correct.
Apply the same theory. If there is division, I should apply the opposite multiplication. If there is addition, I should apply the opposite subtraction. But whatever I do to this particular side, I will do to the other side as well. 5 and 5 cancels off, right?
Yeah.
Where x is equal to now 35. Correct or wrong?
Correct.
Now let's try this with letters. P over L is equal to M. Man, we understand here that P is divided by L, correct?
Yeah.
So rather than doing this multiplication on both sides, what can I do? I mean, like, if you want, of course, yes, you can do it. Where we cancel off P is equal to ML. You get the answer. But rather than doing that, what we can do is P of L equals M divided L goes to the other side. What does it become? Multiplication. Yes or no?
Yes.
Are we clear?
Yes, sir.
Are you sure?
Yes.
Perfect. Right. Now let's go to square and square root. 7, our number. I will square this. What do I get? 49. Correct?
Yeah.
I square root this. What do I get? 7.
Yeah.
Correct now?
Correct.
It means that this is a theory. If I have root 7, if I square this root, I will get 7 again. Yes or no?
Yes.
Basically, I have 7. Initially, I root it. Then I get root 7. Then I square it. What do I get?
7.
So it has it has undergone the two pair of operational couples, correct?
Yes, correct.
Root t is equal to 5. What is happening? Now the square root is there. Square root is there. Now what do I do? To get to the square root, I do the opposite. What is the opposite? Square it. When root is squared, what do I get? T. 5 squared, 25. Did I make myself clear?
Yes.
If I have p squared is equal to m, to get rid of the square in p, what should I introduce? To get rid of the square of p, what should I introduce?
You should square root it.
Huh?
You should square root it.
Yeah. If square rooted be squared, if squared be rooted. Yes or no?
Yes.
P is equal to simple as that. These are the 6 variations that you should know. Am I clear?
Yes, sir.
Take it on my lap.
Okay. Teacher said like this is
What did you teacher say?
our teacher said like this is a year 9 subject, so that's why I have to like get extra practice on it.
Yeah, this is being taught in year 9. Yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah, I understand, I know. Because these are not being taught in grade 9. No, we take like probably grade 10 perhaps. Yeah, I don't know. Okay.
Yeah.
Now, now BIDMAS, have you got the scientific calculator with you right now?
Yes, sir, let me get it out.
Yeah, you have scientific calculator? Cool.
Yeah.
Now type this in the calculator. 3
Give me a sec, sir. Let me get it. Let me get the calculator out.
Yeah.
-2.
If you think that according to BIDMAS, if addition is to be done first, as long as what you say, then we should do this first, isn't it?
Yeah.
We will get 3 minus 15. Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes, been minus 12. Type this in a scientific calculator and bet it that you do not get minus 12 as your answer. Type this straight in the calculator. What is the answer that you get?
I got -2, sir.
Exactly, you got minus 2. The reason is, even though BIDMAS says as brackets, indices, division, multiplication, it's not a particular order, right? Because some countries, they use it as PEMDAS. Look at that. So you're saying basically that in this particular country, you do the multiplication first and then the division. Bro, mathematics is universal. You get that, right?
Yeah.
Mathematics is universal, then our theory goes south. No? Because in your country, in England, division multiplication, isn't it? Division
Yeah.
multiplication. But in this country, no, that can't happen. Because in Sri Lanka, it's known as BIDMAS. And the Sri Lankan teachers, most of them say it as off. Pathetic. It's not off, it is order. Indices, exponents or exponentials. O stands for order. B brackets, P parentheses. I indices, O order, order, indices. People in Sri Lanka say that it's operation, it's off. Feel sorry for those kids, right? So let's
Yeah.
understand why we should get minus 2 instead of minus 2, which is wrong. The answer is very simple. 3 minus 10 plus 5. Yes, we follow BIDMAS, no harm, no shame. But there is something that you call or should know as left to right rule. What rule, my love? Left to right.
Left to right.
If there's division or multiplication involved, irrelevant whether we have addition or subtraction, or the left-right rule, we prioritize on multiplication or division. If there was something to do with indices, we prioritize on indices. If there are a pair of brackets, we prioritize on brackets. So this is actually a list of priorities, a priority list that we have here. It's not an order for the calculations to be done. Am I clear?
Yes.
This is my left and this my right. Right?
Yeah.
3 minus 10 is minus 7. Then you add plus 5. The answer is minus 2. Did I make myself clear?
Yes, sir.
Take it out, please.
Okay.
Now let's look at another calculation. 3 times 2 minus 7 multiplied by 5 plus 8. What do you think is the answer? According to BIDMAS, there's addition, subtraction, multiplication on 2 instances. Which multiplication to be done first? Type this in the calculator. What is the answer that you get? Tell me.
Okay. Minus 21.
Minus.
21.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
All right. Oh no, can't be. Type this as it is in the calculator.
Okay, sir.
I am right. Okay, right. We do this part first. Yes or no? Even
Yes.
there are two multiplications, we have to do whatever that comes first. Left to right, no?
Yeah.
6 minus 7 into 5 plus 8. Yes or no?
Yes.
In this, what are we to do next? We have to do this next. Why? Again, we prioritize on multiplication. 6 minus 35 plus 8. Correct?
Yeah.
Now again, according to BIDMAS, addition, subtraction. Yeah, there's no addition or subtraction because we had addition, we had addition, subtraction, and multiplication. Those are things that we have to calculate. Now the multiplications are done first because we have to prioritize on division or multiplication. Correct?
Yes.
We prioritize on division or multiplication. Even that we followed left to right rule. Correct or wrong?
Correct.
Once the multiplication is done, then we move on to addition or subtraction. 6 minus 35 is what? 20. Tell me. Tap, tap.
Sorry, sir?
29. Correct?
Yeah.
Now what
Yeah.
9 is this? Plus 6 minus 35 is minus 29. To that we add 8. What is the answer now? Minus 21. Did I make myself clear?
Yes, sir.
Right. Take this down.
Okay.